Hello from Workshops and Events. This is the fifth video in our help series. This one is called Contacting the Parents. The audience for this video is public or private K-12 schools. There is a similar video in our corporate series called the Attendee View. Royal College has created teacher appointments. There are now 270 of them. The next job is for you, as the administrator, to contact the parents. Click the Contact Parent Invitation button. Copy the invitation to the clipboard. Use your own email system, whatever system you use at your school, to send this link. You can surround this text in your email by any other text that you wish. Dear parents, hello, any other information that's required. Once the parents receive the email, they can click this link in their email and go to your site where they will book the appointments. In the next video, we will take a close look at how parents can actually book. That's it for this video, and we'll see you soon.